Just got home. I'm not sure if any of my family is at my house. I know Sam's at a wedding until like 2 in the morning. My mom's on a plane back from Mexico. My dad might be here. Dad, hey. How are you, man?
How you doing?
How you doing? Hey Sam, what's up, bro? Welcome back from the wedding.
Thanks, bro.
You still up? Yeah, I'm still up studying MCAT, dude.
Yeah, of course.
All night long. You met any cute girls there? You know, now that you're 24, bachelor material, living at home with his parents.
I'm so hungry right now.
Oh, dude, you want me to cook you up some food, man? I eat like a king when I'm in college.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me
Yeah,
make you some
thanks, bro.
pancakes.
I love that. Yeah, thank you.
Alright, tonight we're making one of my favorite go-to recipes. I've just started making them all the time. Vegan banana pancakes. Alright, so I'm just going to start off. In the base of the bowl, I always like to take the banana and mash it. So,
Hey, Mom.
Mom, you want to join us?
What's going on, Mom? Mom, you can come out from behind there. You don't have to hide.
You want to mash the banana?
Yeah, you can mash the banana,
You
Mom.
want to mash it? Mash. Yeah, just mash it. You can just see like how it's crumbling under the fork. 2 cups of flour. You want to shake it? Pour in like 2 cups into here.
2 cups.
So you just like start with less and then slowly add. Add a little more though. A little bit of baking powder. We use cane sugar
What
because
time is it? 2:30?
it's 2:30.
I'm starving.
Alright, this is good. That's what you're looking for. It's like not a full stream, but it kind of clumps like that.
Do you want pancakes right now, too?
You just want to go around underneath, kind of lift it up. You see how it kind of just detached from the pan, nice and easy. If it doesn't detach from the pan, it's not ready to flip.
God, look how amazing that looks.
Yeah, I don't even know why people add eggs to pancakes because.
Have you ever done pancake art before?
Oh, you need a square bottle for that. You want all of yours with chocolate chips, right?
I give it a 8 out of 10. How you say what's up? What's up is 조시워도. That's what's up.
Shiwado.
Yeah. Hi.